Thanks for watching the Pucara Watch channel. In this video, I'll be swapping the leather strap from the SNKP27 that I reviewed earlier with a metal bracelet and showcasing the change in appearance. The SNKP27 case has a rectangular and tonneau hybrid shape, with straight lugs that snugly fit the original leather strap. Today, we'll be replacing this leather strap with a stainless steel one, and since the lug shape is straight, it generally matches well with straight-end bracelets. The lug width is 22 millimeters. I'll be trying out 5 different straps, 2 from Strapcode on the left and 3 from AliExpress on the right. The first 2 on the left are Miltat's brushed watch band straight end, Super Engineer, and Hexad watch band straight lug, respectively. The third is Heimdallr's tuna watch bracelet, followed by a generic mesh belt and a generic tank strap. The 2 on the right haven't been adjusted for length yet, so they appear longer. Let's start by removing the leather belt, which is easily done with a spring bar tool. The first replacement is a Miltat strap, also known as Strapcode or Taikanaut. It has a substantial feel and complements the brushed finish of the watch bezel excellently. Fantastic match. The second strap, also from Miltat, has angular links, aligning well with the overall weighty feel of the watch. The third is Heimdallr's tuna belt, which slightly interferes with the watch due to the thickness of the straight ends. While it may not match the first 2 in thickness, the overall match is good. The fourth is a generic mesh belt, slightly interfering with the watch. Mesh belts can also be a good fit. Lastly, the generic tank strap also complements the watch quite well. Considering its significantly lower cost compared to the first Miltat strap, it's a budget-friendly option. How did you find this video? Personally, I prefer the second strap the most and have it installed on my SNKP27. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.